Cook 3 cups of macaroni. Set it off to the side. Stir it occasionally so it can cool down. Cook 3.5 cups of rice. Your choice of rice. Usually the white rice works best. Cooks quicker. It will soak up a lot of water and moisture. Pour off the excess when it's done. Usually going to take about 30 to 40 minutes. Add to it corn, beans, and some mixed vegetables. Stir everything together, allow it to cool, and feed it to your chickens. This recipe works very well. Now you can see how the rice expanded. Look at the noodles, sucked up all of that water. Combine those 2 items with mixed vegetables, the beans, and the corn. And this is how you make the chicken food supplement. Well, here it is. Only thing you have to do now is just go ahead and let it cool off. Feed it to the chicken. This is the DIY. Some of those older preps, don't throw them away. And if you don't want to eat them or can't use them for whatever reason or another, cook them up, feed them to your livestock. Feed them to the chickens. Well, here it is, proof. They love it, they like it, and they are eating it. It's good for them. Again, this is just a supplement to their normal food.